Guys, I'm finally filming probably my favorite video of this entire Christmas season. And this is my Christmas Village haul? Tour. This is the first year I've ever had a Christmas village. I didn't grow up having Christmas villages. I didn't have a grandparent that did Christmas villages. I know nothing about this world or this craze, but I've recently found out about it. That people are hardcore collectors, that this is a passion for people, and now I'm slowly one of those people and I'm completely obsessed. So I started this collection maybe about 2 or 3 weeks ago. I had nothing, guys, and I just went kind of wild. On Instagram, you guys really hyped me up. So all of my items here, all of my houses, they're all antiques, which I think is really fun because I didn't buy anything new. Everything was below like $5 to $9, like no more than $9. I don't think I spent more than $9 on any of these. A lot of them I found like $5, and I've just had so much fun collecting these and going to different antiques and just finding fun things. So I am absolutely in love with it. I know it's not up to par with some of other people's, but I hope you guys enjoy my village and that you like it and it inspires you. If you've never created a village, I think you definitely should, because I just think it's the most like nostalgic, like beautiful Christmas thing on earth. And this is actually our TV center, so our TV's above here, and it's just so beautiful watching Hallmark on the couch, and then you just see this like ambiance of a flippin' Christmas village. Like, oh my gosh, it's amazing. So let's go ahead and get into the B-roll. Alright everyone, that's everything for my Christmas Village video. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you think I should continue this in the basement, let me know in the comments below, because I don't think I want to stop. I think I want to keep going, so let me know. Also, if you love all things Christmas like me, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Do not miss out on anything that I have planned, like my house tour, hot chocolate recipes, shop with me, Hobby Lobby haul. Like, I have so many fun things happening on this channel. A gift guide, oh my goodness, so many fun things. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram too. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.